All right, well, let's now check in with meteorologist John Adams for a look at our forecast. Now, John, we're not experiencing snow here, and thankfully, a lot of our drought has pretty much been wiped away by all this rain we're receiving here in East Texas. So tell me, how are we looking at this point?
Well, we're looking better. We have been able to drop most of the burn bands, at least the counties have done that. And these are our monthly rain totals, and quite different from what we saw starting back in August. Everybody has a surplus of rain for the first week and a couple of days of November, and you can see those numbers right there. Totals have been over 3 inches in Tyler, 2 inches, or about an inch and a half rather, in Longview, and almost 5 inches in Lufkin. That's actual rain in the rain gauge. And here are the burn bands we have left: St. Augustine and Morris counties, the only burn bands that are still in place in our East Texas area. Some of the rain totals, and they were heaviest in our eastern counties, there to the north of Center, about 5.1 inch of rain. We had nearly 5 inches there in parts of Panola County, and also down along the Rusk and Nacogdoches County line, about 4.5 inches of rain. 4 inches down near Toledo Bend and Sam Rayburn there in the lakes area of deep East Texas. Lesser amounts, but it looks like everybody at least got some rainfall from what we saw over the past 24 hours. This is radar right now. Nothing showing up in East Texas as everything has shifted over into Louisiana, and they continue to get some very heavy rainfall there. Some flooding going on, indicated by the polygons there in green in the central and east central portions of Louisiana. This is all being driven by this low pressure system, which is over the central and northern plains. It's the one that came out of the southwest as we watched that toward the end of the week. Brought us some rainfall here and has pushed the cold front into the area, and right now we're seeing high pressure build in, and that's going to be the case as we go into the new week, where we'll have some sunshine and very low chances of rain in East Texas then. Temperatures right now, we're in the 70s across the area to the north. Mainly this is the area that did see some sunshine, and in deep East Texas and parts of the southeast where it has been cloudy and rainy throughout the day, temperatures are in the middle and high 60s. Forecast lows for Sunday morning. They'll be in the middle 60s for parts of deep East Texas. We'll see middle 50s as you move northward across the interstates and up to I-30 in the north. Sunday afternoon, forecast high temperatures expected to be in the middle and upper 70s, with some of those higher temperatures down around Nacogdoches and Lufkin. And the trend for the next 7 days is going to be a little bit above the normal for this time of the year, but all in all pretty comfortable for the area, as those temperatures will be holding steady, at least the highs there in the afternoon in the 70s. Tropical storm Rafael continues to weaken in the central Gulf of Mexico, now down to 50-mile-per-hour winds, and it is going to make a circle and then head down toward the southwestern portions of the Gulf of Mexico and lay off the coast of Mexico as just a low pressure system there. Now for East Texas, our week looks pretty good. We'll have lots of sunshine. Veterans Day looks great. We'll have sunny skies. Temperatures in the 70s for highs. Low temperatures will be in the 50s, so cool starts to your morning. You might want to go and grab that jacket if you haven't gotten it out of the closet yet, and you're going to be up early. Deep East Texas, you got a great week ahead as well. Check that forecast anytime at KETK.com.
Thank you, John.